Hey guys, today we're going to be solving a part whole, part unknown word problem using base 10 blocks and the standard algorithm for subtraction. I'm going to start by reading the problem to you. There are 400 apples on the tree. 225 of the apples are red and the rest are green. How many apples are green? We have our problem written over here, 400 minus 225. So I know I need to start with 4 100ths frames because that's how many apples are on the tree. Now, we always know to start subtracting in our ones place. If we look right here, we cannot take away 5 from 0 without getting a negative number. So we need to decompose. So we look to our left. We can't take from a 0. So we look to our left again. We can take from 4. So we decompose 4 and that changes it to a 3. Now we can go back over and that's going to make our tens place change to a 10. But in order to get enough in our ones place, we have to change our tens place to a 9, which then makes our ones place a 10. Now we can start by decomposing one of these hundreds frames since we took from the hundreds frames, and we need to get 10 tens before we can get ones. So let's decompose. Now we have 10 tens frames. Okay. Now guys, in order to subtract 5 from 10, we have to decompose one of our tens frames into 10 ones. Okie doke. Now we have 10 ones. And we can subtract 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many ones do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones because 10 minus 5 is 5. Now we can go over to our tens place because that's what we subtract now. We know we have 9 tens frames right here, and we need to take away 2 of those. 9 minus 2 is 7. We need to cross 2 of these out. 1, 2. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens frames. Now we can go to our hundreds place. 300 minus 200 is 100. 1, 2. We are left with 1 100ths frames, 7 tens frames, and 5 ones. 175 apples are green. Awesome job today, guys. See you later.